everybody, Miss Callum Ship here. Today we're going to learn how to make quesadillas in the microwave. And this makes a really hearty lunch, or you can also have it for a snack. So, of course, we want to make our lunch with lots of healthy ingredients using lots of food groups so that it's a balanced meal. So let's take a look at what we're going to use today. We're going to use whole grain tortillas, and tortillas fall into grains, right? And then queso in Spanish means cheese. So quesadillas have a lot of cheese in them. So we're going to use this Monterey Jack Colby mix, but you could also use other kinds of mild cheeses like mild cheddar or Mexican queso or maybe even mozzarella. And cheese falls into dairy, right? So we could stop there with those two ingredients, but we're not going to. We're going to add some more ingredients to make our quesadilla really good. So we're going to add some spinach. I've got a green pepper here, a little bit of cilantro, and some cherry tomatoes. And those fall into vegetables, yes. So we're adding some vitamins and minerals. Okay, and then another great ingredient you can add to quesadillas is beans. So I've got some black beans here, and beans fall into protein. So that protein makes this meal a lot more hearty, and it will keep us going a lot longer. We can also add toppings to our quesadilla. We can add sour cream, or I've got some plain yogurt here, or some salsa. All right, what else do we need to make our quesadilla? We need a microwave, we need a plate, scissors and or knife to cut our veggies, a couple of spoons, and measuring spoons and cups could be helpful, and a can opener for the beans. The first thing we have to do is wash our hands. So we're going to get our hands wet, grab soap, suds up, and wash for the time it takes to sing happy birthday twice. Get in between your fingers, get on your fingernails, wash and wash and wash, and then rinse. The second thing we have to do is wash our fruits and vegetables. Get everything nice and clean and ready to cook. Let's take a tortilla and put it on our plate, and then let's measure about a 1/4 cup of cheese. This is shredded cheese, but you could always shred yours yourself. Now what we're going to do is we're going to decorate our quesadilla on just 1/2 of the tortilla. So on 1/2 of the tortilla, we're going to sprinkle not all, but most of the cheese. And we're going to save some for later. Now it's time to get our veggies ready. So we're going to use about a 1/4 cup of veggies. First I'm going to chop up these cherry tomatoes, and I can use a knife or scissors for this. Scissors are kind of fun. We can't put too many veggies in because then when we cook the veggies in the quesadilla, it will get too watery. And that's because when the veggies cook, the plant cell walls that make up these plants burst as they cook, and they release the water. You're also going to add just a little bit of green pepper. You can use lots of different kinds of veggies for this. Do you like olives or mushrooms or onions? Then I'm going to add some spinach. And this is spinach I just picked from the garden. This we can also chop with scissors. Spinach likes to grow in the winter, so it's growing now in the garden. And cilantro. Cilantro is an herb that likes to grow in the winter, so we have some in the garden now, so I picked this. Now I'm going to put the veggies on one side on top of the cheese. I'm choosing to use some beans. So I'm going to take a tablespoon or 2 of beans. I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon because this tortilla is pretty small. And then we're going to add the rest of our cheese on top. And the cheese helps to stick it together. Now we're going to fold it over, press it down, and we're going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute or 60 seconds. Okay, it's all done, and the cheese all melted and the veggies are all cooked. And now you can add some toppings if you want. I'm going to add a little bit of this plain yogurt. Sour cream or salsa are nice. And then it's kind of fun to cut it up into little quarters. There we go. Super healthy lunch or a great hearty snack for you. And you can go and enjoy your healthy snack right now, or maybe make this quesadilla, or make this quesadilla another time when you get a chance. Good work. Bye.